Hello again. So today I actually have a few things, but for the first video, it's a Healthy Wiser water tester. And this is what it looks like. Ignore the gold thing on it. I couldn't get that completely off. Now, this one is a conductivity meter. As you can see, there is a lifetime warranty on this particular product. And it's pretty stinking cool. It has all of your directions on the back here. And operation instructions and a whole mess in there. Now, you change the battery right here. It's just a little pop-off cover. Snaps on, snaps off, super easy. See? Snap on, snap off. Then, as you need to, just change the battery. This is the testing site. You're on, off, shift, hold. Well, what you do is when you test it, you take your solution, so pure water, whatever you need to test, pool water, you can do that with this too, is you turn it on, and then you submerge it up to the immersion level, which is right here. So these little prongs and everything else go into the solution, and then you lightly tap, just to remove any air bubbles that might remain up in here, because that can affect testing. Then you press hold button, and take out of the water to read it. After you use it, obviously turn it off, and then hold on a second. It has Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures, so I currently have it on Fahrenheit, as you can see, maybe the little F right there. In order to switch between, there you go. Celsius now. So you just click the button twice and it'll switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, which is kind of cool in case, that way it's not strict to one reading or another. You can switch between the two depending upon what you're most familiar and or comfortable with. Another cool thing about this is it has a temperature reading on it. So you can tell how warm or cold it is, and then that is an automatic thing. It's a temperature compensation, is what I should call it, is what they call it. And it goes from 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit, which actually is a huge range, so that in itself is pretty impressive. When you're using it, do not submerge it completely because it will ruin the product. It is not watertight, so keep that in mind when you go to use it. Now, I'm sure you guys are curious what it is like using in real time. So, we will go test this upstairs. Now, as you can hear, I have my water running. It's just tap water, nothing special, just into my bathroom sink. And this is to just show what it's like to use it. Now, I'm currently running the test. And let's see what happens. Alright, so this says it's 165 parts per million. And on the back of this chart, or on the back of the little pamphlet, it gives you this handy, dandy little thing. Now, what this means is it's a total dissolved solids. It tells you if you have soft water or hard water, ideal drinking water, carbon filtration, marginally acceptable, high total dissolved solids from tap or mineral waters, and then the 500 plus is your maximum contamination level. In mine being at the 160 range is considered hard water. Not shocking, kind of something I already figured within my home. As you see, back down to read 0 as soon as you pull it out of the water. It is so easy to test. It is so easy. And that way, you know, you can know what your water is like, if there's something you really need to be concerned about, or if you prefer to have a water softener. This will allow you to test that. Have a nice day.